So today, James, we've got Laphroaig Select. This is an Islay single malt.
Okay.
The common sort of. Do you know what? I'll just let you find out for yourself. I'm not going to tell you anything about it. Have you tried this before?
Nope. Brand new experience for me.
Yep.
So this is another Scotch Whisky malt.
Scotch single malt.
Excellent. One thing I like about this is that, well, not just this one, just most of these more expensive whiskies, they've got really cool packaging on them.
Great.
And it makes you want to invest in them, doesn't it?
Yes.
That's a little bit of a problem you've started now, isn't it?
It catches your eye. Yeah, see, with the packaging, it just makes you want to start collecting. Like, you want to catch them all at the right Pokemon.
Yeah, you got to catch them all. So you've already got like a little shelf going, haven't you?
Yeah, I do. I have 5 single malts. I am very early into my whiskey journey, but everything I've tried so far is so different. Each distillery.
You're the tadpole. I'm the spawn.
Yes. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, but eventually we're hoping to get into lovely. Like, it's the weirdest analogy ever. A frog.
Yeah, we're gonna be the
frogs.
the
whiskey
prince,
frogs.
right?
The whiskey frogs. Yeah. So shall we get this?
I'm gonna let
get
you
this one open.
I'll let you open this one.
Oh, so this one is a completely different bottle to what I thought it was going to be like. This one looks like it's going to be like some gin or something.
Yeah, almost like London gin.
Yeah. Lovely little cork pop. Oh, I'm excited, Glenn. Are you excited?
Sure am. I'm excited to see what you think. I know I love this, but it is one that you either do or don't.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Right, so let's give it the old sniff test.
Smell.
Oh, it's a bit different.
So I've got lemon. Like, hit just right at the back.
Okay.
Quite peaty.
Peaty?
Yeah, it's a peat. It's a smoky, but like an earthy smoke.
Okay. Right, let's give it a go.
Yeah, it's funny.
That is really different.
So different to the other whiskies you've tried.
This tastes like Right, if I could describe this, imagine walking onto a farm. That is what that tastes like. The smell of a farm.
Which sounds horrible.
It does sound horrible. But it's nicer. But it's nicer than that.
Go dig a hole.
Imagine telling a 4-year-old to go dig a hole. Go dig a hole. Imagine walking onto a farm and that smell you get. I know it sounds not the nicest because it makes it taste. It's going to taste like horse manure. It doesn't.
It's earthy, isn't it? Like an
Earthy.
smoke. Imagine...
Earthy is the best word, rather than manure.
Yeah.
But it definitely tastes like it's come straight off a farm, and it's got that farm flavour to it.
Lemon. It's gorgeous stuff. And this, again, this is the bottom of their range.
The bottom of their range.
Yeah.
So how much does this fetch for a bottle of this size?
So I picked this up for £22.
Okay.
That was on discount. Normally I think
Because
it's
you
around
got it
30,
from an
32.
online whiskey specialist store, yeah?
No.
Oh, you didn't?
I got it from Tesco.
Oh, Tesco.
So I used
Tesco's.
my Tesco club card point.
Local.
And, yeah, it was £22. So I think that's a very good deal for that type of Scotch. Yeah.
Well, mine's gone.
So you must have loved it.
Yeah, I did like. Do you know what? It wasn't as strong. It's the same percentage of volume as the other one.
Yes, 40% bottle down.
But it doesn't taste. The other one, like, I felt like I couldn't drink quickly because it's too much.
It's too much. It's too much.
Yeah, I think you could drink that a little bit too quick and then get a bit drunk quite easily.
And it's easier to get them notes.
Yeah.
Whereas the previous bottle, the Glenmorangie was a bit more, had more flavours in it, but you had to search for them more.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I felt like I couldn't. This one, I felt I could get the flavour straight away. The other one I couldn't.
Yeah.
I had to search for it a lot more, and I had to have a few more sips. This one, after one sip, I could taste the earthiness flavour of it.
Yeah.
But yeah, no. Out of the two, I actually think I preferred this one.
Okay. So you
I
like
think,
an Isla?
I tell you why. I think
very
it's because
smoky,
I think it's because I could taste what I was trying to, what it was meant to give me. I could taste quicker.
Yeah.
It's not the flavour as such I preferred.
No.
It's just that I got out of it more, from if that makes sense.
Yes. Yeah. It does.
But yeah. So guys, go and check this one out.
If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, click that notification bell for more videos like this. Only one thing left to say, Yaki da.